Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite. Today we are going to see important scholarship for BDS course sponsored by Dalcane Pharmaceutical on the name Calvem BDS Scholarship for the year 2020-21. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce, CAM, Pune, Maharashtra, India. This is a very important scholarship for the BDS students. Let's start. First, foremost, I will discuss about when this scholarship will be announced and what will be the last date for this scholarship. Clavem BDS scholarship for the year 2020-21. It is expected to starting of the application form will be in the first week of August 2021. So it is a till time is there. So it is the first week of August 2021 and the last date for the application will be there the last week of December 2021. So we remember the starting will be the August first week and the last date will be the last week of the December 2021. Clavem BDS scholarship for the year 2020-21. This is an important scholarship for the BDS students and especially this scholarship is announced by Alkem, a top pharmaceutical company, provides the financial assistance to the candidates pursuing the BDS course in a recognized institute. And the very interesting one, in this scholarship, those students who are there in the third year BDS course, they are also apply for this scholarship. Otherwise, only the first year students can apply for the scholarship. In the most of the what we have seen up till now, the scholarship, in that the initial starting point they give the scholarship, but in between it is a very difficult. But here in this Alcavum BDS scholarship is giving in the third year or candidate students also. Now, the very important one for this scholarship is the income. Yes, the family income should be less than 5 lakhs. So total annual income of the family, it should be less than 5 lakh rupees. The second one, the application form will be released online. It will not be the offline, it will be online and hopefully it will be in the month of August it will be there. So this is the one important condition, that is the what we have is the income of the family should be less than 5 lakh rupees. And the very important highlights of this scholarship from my side that the first year BDS student can apply. In addition to this, the candidates, the BDS students who are in the third year, they also apply for the scholarship. And the second one, children of the Alchem employees are not eligible to apply for this particular program. So for them, they will give the different scholarship. But for in this particular criteria, the children of the Alchem employees are not eligible. The important one, the benefit you are going to get from this scholarship is the total amount of the scholarship will be given 50,000 rupees. It's a very good amount for those who are there in the BDS because the fees of these BDS courses are very high. So for them, this will be a good relief. So those who are there in the BDS first year and third year, they can go for this scholarship. The scholarship is only for those who are pursuing BDS. No other courses will be there and that will be a full time, not a part time. Yes, those who are doing a part time BDS, it is not there. But if it is any institute, it is there, they are not eligible. So those students who are doing a full time, for them, this particular scholarship will be sponsored by the Alchem in the name of Clavem BDS scholarship for the year 2020-21. And the candidate has to be meet whatever the criteria has been kept by this particular scholarship. The first and foremost, that is the qualification, that is the academic records. The student who has passed 10th standard and 12th standard from a recognized board and scoring minimum 35% marks in aggregate. Otherwise, most of the scholarship, they will say that the scholarship, they have to get 80% or above 85%. But in this Clavem BDS scholarship, they are asking only percentage, minimum 35% aggregate in the 10th standard and 12th standard. Those who are going for the BDS, they have automatically a very high academic record. Minimum 60% marks. Yes, the next important condition, those who are there in the third year student. Minimum 60% aggregate marks in the second year. Examination is mandatory for those who are there in the third year and they are applying for this particular scholarship. And the annual income should be less than 5 lakh. And the gender, both the genders, male and female candidates, it is open for both. The application form is online. The website address is given www.vidyasarathy.com.in/Vidyasarathy/scholarship. This is the portal from where I got this particular information. So you can go directly on that portal or directly go to the Clavem BDS scholarship, the portal. There also you can fill the application. From here you can go directly the application. You can make it from the scholarship portal. There are number of scholarship portals are there. From there you can apply. But Vidyasarathy, I got it this scholarship from Vidyasarathy. So you can go on that website, make the registration, and from there you can apply for this particular scholarship. Candidates should carefully browse through this website and find the link for the BDS scholarship. So on Vidyasarathy, you have to go on that scholarship. First, complete your registration on that. You have to make account on the Vidyasarathy, and from there you have to make all the details. So when you're going to make out the account on this Vidyasarathy, the basic information is required. That is the name, mobile number, email ID, and you have to have a password. So that things are required to make a registration. After complete successful registration, you can apply or generate a password will be generated and you can apply a number of scholarships. So Buddy for Study, this is one. Then the second one, Vidyasarathy, is there. So these are the portals are there. Number of portals are there. From there, you can go on that portal, make this your name register over there, and from there you can go on applying for this particular scholarship. Candidates are required to provide personal and academic details and also upload scanned copies of the important documents. Yes, for this particular scholarship, they require the scanned documents are required, and this is open for all. There is no reservation. Only the two important criteria: the academic record, and the second one is your income certificate. Academically, you should be having minimum 35% marks in 10th standard and 12th standard. Those who are there in the first year BDS, and those who are there in the third year BDS, they have to score 60% marks. Aggregate 60% marks has to be there in the second year. And the second important condition, the income of the family should be less than 5 lakhs. If these criteria you are going to meet, then you can go for this particular scholarship where you are going to get 50,000 per year. That is the scholarship is there. And now important documents, whatever the document is there, a list will be given. And now when you are going to upload this document, the uploaded document should be in the JPG file or PNG format. Only in these two formats they have to be there. The first one, important one, your applicant's photo, yes, your passport size photograph, proof of identity, yes, whether you have the Aadhaar card, PAN card or ration card, yes, whatever we have, the proof you can there, can put the proof of address will be ration card is there, bank passbook will be there, that will be there. Then Aadhaar card will also be used in this. Then proof of income certificate. So those income certificate issued by the government authorities. Normally the Tahsildar is there, or in small villages there will be the Sarpanch is there. So they are going to give those. So the income should be, certificate should be provided by the government authorities. And the very important one, the student has to have their bank passbook, the first page and the last page. They have to scan and they have to upload. And the 12th mark sheet is required. 10 mark sheets, that is not added. 10 mark sheets is also required. 12th mark sheet is required. Current is fee receipt. If you are in the first year, the fee receipt is required. If you have the third year is there, then first year and second year mark sheet is required. In addition, if you want to get this admission through the NEET, then admission letter, bona fide certificate of the institutes, and the latest college mark sheets. If you are there in the third year, then the second year latest mark sheet is also required. Now here, very important one, no preference will be provided to the candidate based on caste, gender, location, or any other parameter. So in this particular Claven BDS scholarship, caste, gender, location, and any other parameter is not taken. Only the two parameter, academic record, and second one is income. So these are the two. The student pursuing BDS degree for any institute is recognized by AICT, NAC, UGC, or government is free to apply for this scholarship. Again, I am giving you the important dates. Expected starting the application will be there in the first week of August 2021, and the application last date will be there in the last week of December. So in the month of July, you have to go to the portal and find out the details about the Claven BDS scholarship, and you have to apply for these particular scholarships. So this is a very good scholarship is there for the BDS, where you can get the 50,000, and it will be for a complete course. So every year you have to get the 50,000, and the only thing is that you have to go on renewing, and every year you have to be score 60% marks. Yes, there should be no ATKT backlog. It should be clear, and aggregate marks should be 60%. I hope this is clear. I request the viewers as well as the subscribers to kindly pass on this scholarship to those needy students who are there in the BDS first year or third year, that this is a very good scholarship. They can apply for this scholarship. If they require any assistance, please support them in the form of your laptop or internet service, so that they can fill their forms and they can eligible and get successfully get into this particular scholarship. Thank you. Have a nice day.